Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you 2 simple salads that's perfect for the summertime. So this recipe was actually inspired by the best before date on this pack. As you can see, it says the 30th of June 2020 and we're now in July. So I knew I had to use up this amaranth. And amaranth is actually the seeds that you find in callaloo. So if you haven't checked out my last video about how to peel, clean and cook callaloo, I'll link that here now. And yes, so it's just the grain of the callaloo really. And it's completely coincidental that I'm actually doing these videos back to back, but the amaranth grain will be the first grain I'm using in one of the salads. To cook the amaranth, add the grains to a saucepan with some water and a bit of veggie stock to season. You could always just use sea salt as well if you prefer. And this is what the cooked amaranth looks like. I left this on the cooker a little bit longer than I wanted to. Well, I didn't leave it on the cooker too long. I turned off the cooker, but I left the saucepan on the hot plate, so it continued to cook for a couple more minutes. And here I'm just trying to get rid of the excess liquid by passing it through a sieve. But if you follow the timings I'm going to list in the recipe, you should be fine and you wouldn't need to. You probably still worth doing this step anyway. So I'm just going to try and get rid of some of that excess water, and then I'm going to use the grain in the salad. To flavor the salad, I made a really simple dressing using just 4 ingredients. So I've got maple syrup, cayenne pepper, Dijon mustard, but I do prefer whole grain mustard, so you can use either, and the juice of a lime. And I'm going to use this salad dressing for both salads. Back to the amaranth, and this is what it looked like after leaving it to drain. It is still quite clump-like. It clumps together a lot more than quinoa. So this is the quinoa, and the quinoa is a larger grain and it is less, I don't know, is it starch that's making it kind of combine together? Let me know in the comment section what's making the amaranth grain gel-like together in a different way to the amaranth, to the quinoa. So these are the 2 grains I'm going to use in the different salads. And these are the salad items I'm going to add to both salads. You just need to make sure everything is finely chopped. To assemble this salad, I added the cooked amaranth to a bowl with all of my salad items. So I had grated carrots, finely chopped radish, cucumbers, green onion, and I used the de-seeded tomato. Now I think I added a bit of parsley. Yes, I add some parsley as well. And lastly, go in with that salad dressing. And there's no rules when it comes to which salad items to use. Just use the ones that you like. And how much salad items, again, just be free with this. It's your salad. So if you want more cucumbers, go with more cucumbers. I decided to de-seed the tomato because I didn't want it to make this wet and soggy. So if you notice, a lot of the salad items that I did select were dried ones that wouldn't make my salad soggy. And there I'm adding in more cucumbers. And I think I added some more radish in as well. Yes, some more radish. So it's your salad, just be free with it and add whatever salad items you want to add. And this is a really nice salad that you can take and have for lunch, maybe at work, or if you're going back to school soon, you can do that as well. And for the second salad, it's just using the same ingredients pretty much, except I'm using quinoa in this salad instead, and I did use red bell peppers instead of the tomatoes. One thing I will say, just be mindful with the green onions. I did use a lot of green onions in this one, so it was a bit sharp, but just if you keep an eye on how much green onions you're adding, everything else should just blend together beautifully. This is the completed salad. Let me know in the comment section which one you're going to try. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and I will see you in my next one. And I've also got some pictures just to show you the 2 salads at the end.